Because I ate a bunch of cookies.
Get it off of me! Are you videotaping?
Oh. I was posing for a funny face.
Oh! Mama, is it videotaping? Uh-oh.
Wait a
Are we
minute.
doing it?
Wait a minute.
Okay.
Is this on?
Oh,
I just
man,
saw
that
him
one
pull
sucked.
You guys are all doing
I'm almost
root beer.
done. I told you guys to give me one. Chrissy, how are you gonna burp? Do you even fart?
Yeah.
They're silent.
Scoot over a little bit. I have to pee before I can burp.
Oh, touched you. You can't drink because I'm not thirsty.
Me neither, dude. Damn it! I wanted to.
No, leave them in there so they burn more, Chrissy. I will not. Oh my god! Up top!
You know the name of those hamburgers are called Bun Busters? I thought it was. Should I really take this out?
You just opened a Sunkiss. Why are you opening a root beer?
Because
Oh my lord.
I don't wanna. Everybody else is doing root beer.
Go, somebody go.
I already burped.
My arm's getting tired.
I can't chug.
Ew, that was so gross. Like an animal. It sounds like you got foam in your mouth.
Too much. I do. It's like root beer fuzz.
Okay, let's just chug it.
I can't do it because I'm laughing. I suck at burping. Do you remember the time with the Coke? I blew everybody's shit out of the water.
Remember Nicole Pratt at cheerleading camp? Remember Nicole Pratt at cheerleading camp? She's like, you just gotta let it wait 5 minutes, baby, and then like all of a sudden she yelled out, or like belted out a big one.
It was like, like, jeez!
The whole camp.
Yeah, seriously, everybody at the camp was like,
Yeah, that was a good one for me.
damn it, fuck. Give me your sun kiss, Chrissy. That'll make me burp.
No.
You just did a million times.
Jeez, you're like a pterodactyl.
My stomach hurts so bad.
I'm really sick.
Chrissy.
Whoa, really, really close.
What? They're gonna think we're weird listeners who like to make a music. Music.
Who's they?
Yeah.
Them. Duh.
Throw up.
Wow.
How come you're not participating?
So I'm gonna pop.
Damn it! None of mine are going good. Normally I can belch out like monsters. Like yesterday when Neil was here. He was like,
Chrissy, you give me a pop and I'll participate. We just set the camera on the TV. That's what we should do. Just let us sit there and record. But it might
No,
fall
'cause
because
then
it's
it might fall.
slanted.
because then it might fall.
Wiggle your nose. Take a run through the water. Come here, Belinda. Come here, get closer. Look at her forehead. Oh,
like a
my
landing
gosh.
A landing strip.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Somebody else record. Should we start a new one? Oh no.
Hey, that was good.
How long it will make that one go?
What'd you say? Snot.
Yeah.
That was cute.